In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize content and manage permissions in Miro with our comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, it's essential to manage your content and permissions effectively on Miro to ensure smooth collaboration. Let's start by heading over to Miro's website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to miro.com. Once the webpage loads, you'll see options to either sign up or log in. As you may already have an account, click on the login button. It's usually located at the top right section of the screen, providing an easy entry point to access your dashboard. Now, Miro gives you the flexibility to sign in either with your email address or your Google account, which can speed things up if you're already logged into Google on your browser. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Miro dashboard. From here, locate your board's name. To manage permissions, you'll need to click on the three little dots next to it. This is where you can find additional options. Upon clicking, see an option labeled Make Board Private. By selecting this, you ensure that only invited members can view or edit the board, adding a layer of confidentiality and control over who accesses your content. Moving on, navigate to your next board. As before, click on the three dots next to the board's title. This time, select Board Details. Accessing board details allows you to delve deeper into managing and organizing the board, providing more context and options. Within the board details, there's a share button. Clicking on it will reveal the sharing settings for the board. The sharing settings are crucial for defining who can do what with your board. Initially, you might see it set to Can Edit. This gives collaborators permission to make changes, which is excellent for brainstorming sessions but may not always be ideal. Click on it and a drop-down menu should appear, presenting you with alternative permissions such as Can View or Can Comment. Selecting Can View is perfect for when you want others to observe the board without making accidental changes. Alternatively, Can Comment allows them to give feedback without altering the content, which is particularly useful for reviewing drafts or gathering input. Lastly, revisit another board using the same steps. Click the three dots to access board details and adjust permissions via the Share menu. This repetitive process might seem tedious, but helps ensure each board is tailored to its respective audience, maximizing the effectiveness of your collaboration within Miro. By following these steps and adjusting the permissions appropriately, you'll not only enhance the security of your boards, but also streamline how you and your team interact with the content. With practice, you'll find it becomes second nature, allowing you to focus more on creativity and collaboration rather than administrative tasks. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.